Hello everyone. As many of you know, I'm away on holiday for the next couple of weeks, and two very talented YouTubers have agreed to take on the challenges or the prompts for me whilst I'm away. So let me just tell you a little bit about them. The first YouTuber is Martha from Made by Martha. Of course, you might be familiar with these ladies already. And the second YouTuber is Anne from Curious Moon Designs, both very talented ladies. Now, as you'll see in the description box of this video here, the prompt for this week is bees, birds and botanicals. Of course, it's October week 1 and time for the prompt of the month in the Facebook group, the Mixed Media Emporium. And as always, for anybody that wants to follow along with these challenges, I'll leave the link to the Facebook group in the description box below. Now you'll find the link to both of their videos in the description box below, and you'll already have seen from the thumbnail that they've come up with some wonderfully creative projects. So I hope you'll be excited about going and checking them out. Please do watch their videos, give them a like and leave a kind comment, and of course subscribe to their channels as well, as I'm sure they'd be very, very appreciative of that. And I certainly appreciate them covering for me whilst I'm away, giving me a break to appreciate the gorgeous warm weather here in sunny Spain. I'm leaving this video here for today so that you can hop straight over and watch Anne and Martha's videos, but in the meantime, if you could give me a thumbs up, that would be very much appreciated, because the more thumbs up I get, the more YouTube will promote this video, and the more chance Anne and Martha have got, of course, of people watching their videos too and using the links that I've left below. So I'll be back next week to share the links of their videos for next week's challenge, and of course I'll be back in a couple of weeks' time. So take care everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.